In today's video, I will show you how to use the Fair Value Bands, Dynamic Risk Levels, Fair Value Metrics indicator to detect market trade opportunities. The Fair Value Bands, Dynamic Risk Levels, Fair Value Metrics indicator is like other band tools, depicting dynamic points in price where price behavior is normal or abnormal. For example, trading at or around the mean, price at fair value, or deviating from the mean, price outside fair value. Unlike constantly readjusting standard deviation-based bands, fair value bands are designed to be smooth and constant based on typical historical deviations. To apply this trading indicator, search the keywords the Fair Value Bands, Dynamic Risk Levels, Fair Value Metrics on TradingView's Community Scripts folder. Select to apply it to your trading chart. Let's check the functionality settings for this indicator. Under the Input settings, there is Highlight Metric Calculation can be enabled by checking the box. Checking this will result in a lot-based coloring and visibility of each lot counter, time, cumulative relative volume, and average relative volume in the data window. There's the threshold band. This is calculated using typical deviations when the price is trading at fair value basis. In other words, a little bit of wiggle room is added around the mean based on the expected deviation. By default, the threshold band is calculated based on a 1 times median deviation from the mean. Users can increase or decrease threshold bandwidth via the Input menu for more or less noise filtering. Deviation bands. Width of deviation bands by default is based on 1 times median deviations and can be increased or decreased in a similar manner to threshold bands. Fair value metrics. The space between each band is considered a lot, named +3, +2, +1, -1, -2, -3. For each lot, time spent and volume relative to volume moving average, SMA 20, is recorded each time price is trading in a given lot. The upper section above the line in an uptrend is the risk off at fair value area high, while the slower section below the line in an uptrend is the risk on at fair price. The reverse form is for a downtrend. For easy detection of buy and sell signals, make sure to check the Highlight Metric Calculation box here. Doing this will make the price candlestick to be colored. By default, the yellow candlestick signifies bullish sentiment, while purple-colored candlestick signifies bearish sentiment. Also, we need to change the color of the fair value basis line for easy detection of a buy and sell setup. We will change the color 0 to green. Increase the opacity and thickness of the line. Also, we will modify color 1 to red. Increase the opacity and thickness of the line. To detect a buy trade setup with indicator, Step 1. Look out for a trending market. Step 2. Analyze the market to know if it is a bullish trending market. Step 3. Watch out to see that the line is in green color. Step 4. Watch out to see that the price makes a bearish pullback to the green line. Step 5. Watch out to see a strong bullish yellow painted candlestick closing above the green line. Step 6. Go long at the close of the bullish yellow painted candlestick above the green line. For the reversal of a bearish trend into a bullish trend, ensure that the red line changed to a green line. Wait to see a strong bullish yellow painted candlestick closing above the red line to give the confirmation of a change in trend from a bearish phase into a bullish phase before you go long. Place your stop loss at the low of the bullish yellow painted candlestick closing above the red line for a reversal buy setup. To detect a sell trade setup with indicator, Step 1. Look out for a trending market. Step 2. Analyze the market to know if it is a bearish trending market. Step 3. Watch out to see that the line is in red color. Step 4. Watch out to see that the price makes a pullback to the green line. Step 5. Watch out to see a strong bearish purple painted candlestick closing below the red line. Step 6. Go short at the close of the bearish purple painted candlestick closing below the red line. For the reversal of a bullish trend into a bearish trend, ensure that the green line changed to a red line. Wait to see a strong bearish purple painted candlestick closing below the green line to give confirmation of a change in trend from a bullish phase into a bearish phase before you go short. Place your stop loss at the high of the bearish purple painted candlestick closing below the green line for a reversal sell setup. It's time to execute a buy and sell trade position based on this trading strategy. As we can see in this uptrend, after the price made a bearish pullback, the green line held the price as a dynamic support. Time to buy. Stop loss will be placed at the low of this confirmation yellow candlestick bar. We will target 2 risk to reward ratio. Let's patiently wait to see how the trade goes. Trade finally resulted in a winning trade. Here is a downtrend. As we can see in this downtrend, after price made a bullish pullback, the red line held the price as a dynamic resistance. The close of the purple candlestick below the red line gave the confirmation of our sell setup. Time to sell. Stop loss will be placed at the high of this confirmation purple candlestick bar. We will target 2 risk to reward ratio. Take profit hit.